Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by importing the image and locking a clear objective. Crop for composition, not just size. Once loaded, set the canvas ratio to 16:9 or a custom frame so output matches the platform. Make sure to enable high-quality export early, otherwise details are lost later. Use the grid and snap to align key subjects and immediately create separate layers for text, shapes, and retouching. This keeps edits reversible and speeds up the next steps. Now you refine tone and detail. Adjust exposure, contrast, highlights, and shadows in subtle steps so you avoid clipping. Once done, switch to selective tools. Use the brush to isolate skin, sky, or product areas, then apply blur, sharpen, or color corrections where needed. Make sure to balance color temperature and vibrance for a natural look. Add text or vector shapes on their own layers, and apply blending modes and masks to integrate elements smoothly without harming the base image. Finish by exporting with the proper DPI and file format. Save a layered project file so you can revisit adjustments later. Then inspect edges, compression artifacts, and any color shifts on multiple devices to confirm consistency. If something looks off, undo the last change or revert to the saved layer. Reduce saturation or noise reduction if colors block up. Finally, re-export at a higher bitrate or quality setting to preserve detail. This single step fixes most final output issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.